Trader, what a hot tamale this baby is. IBM. Oh, look at that. We took out resistance above the trend line, broke out another 3 days higher to a 52-week high. Once again, they're executing. They built that model and it's working. So when we pull back, when the market does pull back, and IBM will, we would be a buyer right here, right around that 206.50 area. So when the market does correct, it's on our list to buy. I just want everyone to know under the free stock play, you can find it there. And how you buy the options, that's up to you. Whatever you choose or whatever time or strike, uh, that's going to be on your skill. If you want us to help you do that, then you sign up for the free 5 day trial. We'll help you get your entries, get a plan together, everything you need that will drive it successfully. So let's go ahead and think about buying pullbacks on free stock plays. It's very strong. It really broke above that resistance and took off like a rocket 3 days straight up.